Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
Hi, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel. My name is Millennial Auntie. If you're new here, asante sana kwa kuja, karibu. And if you're not new, welcome back. Remember to subscribe. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a Sitz Basin. This is what a Sitz Basin looks like. A Sitz Basin is used to treat the genital and perianal areas if you have any issues going on down there, maybe hemorrhoids or stitches or any kind of surgery that you had and you need to treat it. Step 1. Make sure you clean and disinfect your Sitz Basin. Step 2. Get enough water to fill your Sitz Basin and bring it to a boil. Step 3. Let the water cool down to lukewarm temperatures. Step 4. Stir in a teaspoonful of salt. Step 5. Fix your Sitz Basin on the toilet seat and make sure the pump is in its place and within your hand's reach. Step 6. Pour in your lukewarm saline water. Step 7. Sit on the Sitz Basin for 10 to 20 minutes. You can continuously squeeze the pump in your hand to spray yourself with the water so that you can better clean and soothe the perianal and genital areas. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how you use a Sitz Basin. Alternatively, you can use an ordinary basin. You put in some lukewarm saline water and sit in it. You can also use a bathtub. You put in some warm water and add some salt and then you soak yourself. I'm going to put a link in the description box below so that you would know where you can find a Sitz Basin or even the ordinary basin. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.